Are you tired of spending hours trying to perfect your YouTube thumbnails? Get ready to transform your content creation process with an incredible AI tool that can create stunning thumbnails for your videos in just seconds. Check out these thumbnails. Can you believe they were all generated by AI? It might seem unbelievable, but it's true. Every single one of these thumbnails was created by AI. That's right, you heard correctly. The thumbnails you're seeing now were all produced by artificial intelligence. Thumbnails play a crucial role in making a video go viral. If any of your videos aren't getting the attention they deserve, simply updating the thumbnail could lead to better results and bring viewers back to your content. Stick around as we reveal the secret behind this revolutionary technology and show you how to harness the power of AI like never before. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an incredible AI tool called Pikzels. I'll provide the link in the description below, so you can try it for free. This tool effortlessly turns your ideas into eye-catching thumbnails in a matter of seconds. But you might be wondering, why opt for Pikzels AI over Midjourney or Leonardo? Here's the answer. Pikzels AI is one of a kind, specifically designed and trained for generating YouTube thumbnails, unlike any other image generator. It's tailored to meet the needs of content creators, delivering more accurate and relevant results. Plus, Pikzels AI is the only tool that lets you create thumbnails featuring your own face. Alright, to get started, simply sign up using the link provided in video description or try it for free here in the free plan. You can generate your first 3 thumbnails without needing a credit card. Next, just hop onto Pikzels' Discord server, accept the invitation, and you're all set. Once you're in, you're ready to start creating amazing thumbnails. You'll find several tabs like Subscribe, Announcements, How To, Showcase, and more. In the How To section, you'll get a simple guidance on creating stunning thumbnails with Pikzels. They even provide examples of what makes a good prompt versus a bad one. Now, let's move over to the Showcase tab. Here, you can see the incredible thumbnails that users have already created. It's amazing to see the potential. Your thumbnails can be just as powerful. Remember, it all comes down to the quality of your prompt. The stronger your prompt, the better the results. Honestly, I'm blown away by what this AI tool can do. The thumbnails it generates are simply mind-blowing. So, before you start creating your own thumbnails, make sure to check out the Showcase tab for some inspiration. Alright, let's dive in and create a thumbnail. Go to one of the free trial sections. I started with the free trial, but now I have the premium plan, which means I have access to all of Pikzels' features. Here are a few simple commands that pop up when you hit the / key. /credits to check how many credits you currently have. Per decimeter to send a direct message to the Pikzels bot. /faces swap to add your face to a thumbnail. /format to choose the thumbnail format. /model to choose a model. /pricing to display the credit cost for each feature. /recreate to recreate a thumbnail from a link or a file. /remove BG to remove the background from an image. /subscription to manage your Pikzels subscription. /thumbnail to create a thumbnail. /title to generate a title for your video. /version to check which version of Pikzels you're using. As you can see, everyone can view the images that Pikzels has made for others, but I want my image to be in a spot where only I can see them and where it's easier for me to find them, so they don't get lost among all these other images. So I'll click on this icon, right-click on Pikzels, and choose Message. Now, you have 2 options for generating thumbnails. The first option is to generate a thumbnail from a prompt. The second option allows you to simply paste the link of a YouTube video here and let the AI work its magic. Let's start with the first option. Here, I type a / and then select Thumbnail. Now, I'll type my prompt here. I'm writing, create a thumbnail with turbulent background. Close up on a scared woman on one side of the image. Behind him there are a scary old abandoned house. The background looks like a forest. The overall mood is intense, and there's a lot of motion going on. Vibrant and saturates colors. Then hit enter. Boom! Result is here. Amazing! This is literally mind-blowing just in 10 seconds. Wow. Check out the vibrant red and the striking red highlight in the girl's hair. The dark tones of the thumbnail perfectly set the eerie mood of the video. You can feel the fear and dread in the girl's eyes, and that abandoned house in the background. It's absolutely breathtaking. To download the image, click on it, and then select Open in Browser to view it in high quality. Now, right-click on the image and choose Save Image As. If you're not happy with the image, you can just click on Edit Thumbnail or Regenerate. Now, to try out the second method for creating a thumbnail, I'll head over to MrBeast's channel and pick one of his videos. Just copy the video link and then come back to the Pikzels Discord server. Here, I type /recreate. Now, I've got two options. Either I give it the link to the thumbnail or the YouTube video, or I can upload the file. I'm going with the link, so I'll paste the MrBeast video link here. The result is ready, fast, and accurate. Here's the original image, and here's the one that Pikzels made. One cool feature Pikzels has is face swapping. With the face swap button, you can replace the person's face with your own or anyone else's face you want. So, I'm going to find a link to MrBeast's photo. Then, I'll click the face swap button here and paste MrBeast's photo link here. And here's the result. Looks great, right? But it's not my fault he's smiling like this. All of MrBeast's photos have him smiling. I'm also going to test this same prompt with Leonardo and Ideogram, which are free tools. These are the ones Leonardo made, and these are from Ideogram. Both did a great job, especially considering they're free. However, the images that Pikzels creates are specifically designed for thumbnails. Pikzels is professionally designed for generating thumbnails. Now let's talk about its pricing. There are 3 plans available: Essential, Premium, and Ultimate. I've put the Pikzels link in the video description for you. If you make a purchase through this link, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Your support means a lot to me, and I truly appreciate it. The Essential plan is super affordable. Only $10 a month, or even cheaper at $8 a month if you go for the yearly option. You can create up to 120 thumbnails a year with 1,200 credits. Each thumbnail takes 10 credits, messages are just 1 credit, and a face swap costs 3 credits. Now, keep in mind that with the Essential plan, features like face swap aren't available. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you a free way to change faces. Check it out! And if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more cool tricks in my next videos.